Welcome back to Auto House. These 15 cars will destroy the car industry in 2025 to 2026.
Buckle up for the 2026 Toyota Avalon, a sedan that redefines style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a comfort craver, this masterpiece delivers. Let's explore why the Avalon is your ultimate driving companion. Design, sleek, bold, unforgettable. The 2026 Avalon commands attention with its aggressive stance and sculpted lines. Its razor-sharp front grille, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights with adaptive beam technology, exudes confidence. The aerodynamic body, crafted from high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced composites, cuts through the air with 0.27 drag coefficient for peak efficiency. Rolling on 19-inch forged alloy wheels with a diamond-cut finish and accented by sleek LED taillights with sequential turn signals. It's a visual knockout. Choose from vibrant hues like midnight sapphire or Arctic pearl to reflect your vibe. This is a sedan that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Interior, your personal tech sanctuary. Step inside and the Avalon feels like a luxury cockpit. The 12.3-inch floating touchscreen, powered by Toyota's next-gen infotainment with 5G connectivity, syncs seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. A customizable 10.2-inch digital driver display delivers real-time data. Think navigation, performance metrics, or even tire pressure. Sink into perforated leather seats with 8-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and memory settings. Ambient LED lighting offers 64 color options to match your mood, while the 10-speaker JBL audio system with 800-watt amplification turns every drive into a concert hall. With 16.1 cubic feet of trunk space and 60/40 split-folding rear seats, practicality meets indulgence. Power and performance, electrifying precision. Under the hood, the Avalon's 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain pairs a dynamic 4-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, unleashing 301 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, thanks to an 8-speed electronically controlled transmission with paddle shifters for razor-sharp gear changes. Available all-wheel drive with torque vectoring ensures grip in any condition, while the adaptive suspension, tunable for comfort, sport, or eco modes, delivers a ride that's plush or pulse-pounding. The 15.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery enables 42 miles of pure electric range, achieving up to 48 miles per gallon combined. Regenerative braking and a low center of gravity make every corner a thrill, while keeping your wallet happy. Technology, smarts, that protect and empower. The Avalon is a tech fortress. Toyota safety. Sense 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane tracing assist, and road sign recognition. A 360-degree panoramic camera with 3D rendering makes parking effortless, while automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection has earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus honors. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 10-airbag system keep you secure. The head-up display projects speed, navigation, and alerts onto the windshield, and the Toyota app lets you remotely start the engine, lock doors, or monitor charge status. Biometric sensors even adjust climate and seat settings to your preferences. It's like the car knows you better than you know yourself. Availability and pricing. The 2026 Toyota Avalon rolls into dealerships in April 2026 with a base MSRP of $39,995. Fully loaded trims, brimming with premium features like a panoramic sunroof and 20-inch wheels, top out at $54,500. Financing and lease options will be available, with pre-orders opening January 2026. The 2026 Avalon isn't just a sedan, it's a statement. Style, power, and cutting-edge tech, all wrapped in one electrifying package. Thanks for joining us. Now go claim your drive.
Back to Auto House.
You ever dream of a car that can go anywhere? Like 1 second you're cruising city streets, the next you're conquering a mountain like it's nothing. That's the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just an SUV. It's a legend reborn, ready to steal your heart. But there's a catch, and it's going to keep you glued to this story. Stick with me, because the Land Cruiser's about to blow you away. So what's the hype with the Land Cruiser? This beast has been a king of the wild for decades. And for 2026, Toyota's bringing it back with a vengeance. It's not just a ride, it's a promise of adventure. With rivals like the Mercedes-Benz GLE, Jeep Wrangler, and Land Rover Defender trying to outshine it, the new Land Cruiser's got tricks up its sleeve that'll leave you shook. Ready to see what's new? Let's roll. Here's the deal. Most SUVs are either too soft for the wild or too rough for daily life. You're tired of picking between a gas-guzzling tank and a city slicker that can't handle a dirt road. You want a ride that's tough as nails but comfy enough for your everyday grind. The 2026 Land Cruiser gets you. It's built to dominate trails and still make you feel like a boss on the highway. Let's break down what's fresh, because this thing's a game changer. The 2026 Land Cruiser rocks a rugged new look. Think sharper lines, a beefier grille, and sleek LED headlights that cut through the dark like lasers. It's got that "don't mess with me" vibe, but it's still clean enough to turn heads in the city. The rear's got modern taillights and a tougher bumper, screaming durability. Compared to the GLE's flashy luxury, the Land Cruiser's all about grit and glory. What's your take on this style? Would you rock it in desert sand or go bold with a deep red? Drop it in the comments. Inside, it's a whole new world. The cabin's rugged yet refined. Premium leather, soft touch surfaces, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment. It's not as futuristic as the GLE's digital wall, but it's intuitive and tough enough to handle dusty trails. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a JBL sound system that slaps. The seats? Comfy for long hauls with enough space for your crew and gear, though it's not as roomy as a Suburban. Plus, there's a new digital gauge cluster that shifts modes. City, off-road, you name it. What would you do with this setup? Tell me in the comments. Where's the first place you'd take this beast? Now here's where it gets wild. The Land Cruiser's a monster off-road and no slouch on pavement. The 2026 model's got a hybrid powertrain standard, a 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor, pumping out 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to smoke a Jeep Wrangler on a rocky trail. It hits 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds, which ain't supercar fast, but plenty for merging or climbing hills. The full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and crawl control make it unstoppable off-road. Think mud, sand, or snow, it doesn't care. On the road, the hybrid sips fuel, giving you 25+ miles per gallon combined. Way better than the gas-hungry Defender. Only gripe? The steering's a bit heavy at low speeds. Would that bother you, or is the off-road king vibe worth it? Let me know below. So is the Land Cruiser your kind of ride? It's an SUV that doesn't compromise. Built for adventure, ready for anything. Starting around $55,000, our guess. It's a steal compared to the GLE's luxury tax or the Defender's premium price. It's not the flashiest, but for reliability and go-anywhere grit, it's untouchable. Word is Toyota's leaning hard into hybrid-only models, so gas purists might need to act fast for older versions. What do you think? Is the Land Cruiser the ultimate SUV? Which features got you hyped? Hit the comments and let's talk. Want to see more epic rides like this? Smash that subscribe button. Toyota Corolla Cross. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid combines power, efficiency, and everyday practicality in a compact sport utility vehicle. It receives key updates to stay competitive, building on the success of the model introduced 4 years ago. The refreshed design includes a new honeycomb front grille, redesigned headlights, a revised rear bumper, and updated wheels, giving it a more modern and stylish look. Inside, the 2026 model is expected to feature improved technology. A larger 10.1-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster may replace the older, smaller screens, making the infotainment system easier to use and enhancing the driving experience. Under the hood, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor delivers 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive comes standard. Fuel economy is excellent, with an estimated 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 on the highway. It can travel around 445 miles on a full tank and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.4 seconds. The ride is smooth thanks to a fully independent suspension, though the braking system feels soft and stopping distances are longer than expected. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking. Cabin materials are simple and durable with decent rear legroom and cargo space. A nightshade edition adds black wheels and red interior stitching. Overall, the Corolla Cross Hybrid remains a smart, efficient choice for daily driving.
Welcome back to Auto House.
The 2026 Toyota RAV4 is finally getting a full redesign, and it marks a bold new direction for one of the world's most popular sport utility vehicles. After years of success with its current generation, Toyota is now preparing to introduce the next chapter of the RAV4. Based on early sightings of prototypes in Detroit, it is clear that the new RAV4 will be more rugged and more refined, while continuing to offer the everyday practicality that drivers expect. One of the biggest changes is the overall shape of the vehicle. The 2026 RAV4 no longer features the softer lines of the current model. Instead, it has a more upright and squared-off design. The windshield is more steeply angled, and the rear section stands taller and more vertical. These changes not only give the RAV4 a tougher appearance, but also help create more usable interior space, especially in the cargo area. The taillights have also been redesigned. They are now wider and more squared, replacing the previous long and narrow style. These updates help give the rear a stronger and more stable look on the road. At the front, the new RAV4 adopts a fresh and modern look inspired by the design of the latest Toyota Crown. The headlights are slimmer and more sharply styled. A thin light bar now stretches across the top part of the front grille, giving the vehicle a high-tech and premium appearance. Below that, the main grille has a bold and sculpted design, which brings the RAV4 visually closer to Toyota's larger and more luxurious sport utility models. Toyota is also making major improvements to the powertrain. The 2026 RAV4 is expected to be offered only in hybrid versions. Buyers will have the choice between a traditional hybrid and a plug-in hybrid model. The current RAV4 hybrid already delivers impressive fuel efficiency at around 39 miles per gallon in combined driving. The plug-in hybrid model offers up to 42 miles of electric-only range. If Toyota enhances these figures, the new RAV4 could become one of the most efficient vehicles in its class. In profile, the vehicle looks more squared and upright. The rear pillars are positioned more vertically, which could allow for greater cargo space behind the second-row seats. The signature trapezoid-shaped wheel arches are still present, adding a rugged and muscular feel to the vehicle. The redesigned taillights now extend slightly around the rear fenders, helping the back of the vehicle appear wider and more planted. Under the hood, the new RAV4 is expected to use the same hybrid system found in the latest Toyota Camry. This system combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors in front-wheel drive models, producing a total of 225 horsepower. The all-wheel drive version adds a third electric motor for increased performance, raising the total output to 232 horsepower. The fully redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4 is expected to be revealed globally later this year, with sales beginning before the end of 2025. The standard hybrid will arrive first, followed by the plug-in hybrid. Pricing is expected to start in the low $30,000 range, making the new RAV4 a strong competitor in the compact sport utility segment.
century. Introducing the all-new 2025 Toyota Century SUV, a bold fusion of Japanese craftsmanship and modern innovation. More than just a vehicle, the Century SUV redefines luxury with its elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance. Toyota has taken its most prestigious nameplate and created a 4-seat SUV that prioritizes comfort, privacy, and sophistication above all else. With its graceful yet powerful exterior, the Century SUV is built to stand out. Inside, it offers an exclusive 4-passenger layout, where each seat is crafted for ultimate relaxation. The rear seats can fully recline, turning the cabin into a serene space designed for those who value peace and prestige on every journey. Under the hood, it features a 3.5-liter V6 engine, combined with Toyota's advanced plug-in hybrid system and all-wheel drive. While full performance figures have yet to be released, it is expected to deliver power similar to the Lexus TX 550 Plus, reaching around 406 horsepower. This ensures a balance of strength, smoothness, and efficiency on the road. Toyota's dedication to quality shines through in every detail, from premium materials and advanced suspension to seamless hybrid integration. Though initially available only in Japan, the Century SUV sets a new global benchmark for luxury. This is not just a car, it is a statement of elegance, power, and forward-thinking design.